Hi viewers, this is Seshad Raju. Today we will discuss about the 9th chapter of 10th class, that is tangents and secants. Yes. Tangent means if you draw a triangle, if you draw a circle like this, it passes with a single point. This is a one point. This is a tangent to the circle. It intersects only one point of a circle. It is a tangent like this. In any way, in this of at a single point, the circle. Any type, you can draw any number of tangents to the circle. These infinite tangents we can draw with a circle. Then we can discuss about the secants. It is a circle. Secant means it intersects with the 2 points at a circle. It is like this. It intersects at 2 points, and this part is known as chord of the circle. And this line is known as secant of the circle. You can draw any number of secants in the circle. It does not pass through the center of the circle, because if it passes through the center of the circle, it is known as a diameter. So it will pass only like this 2 points in the circle. This is the introduction to tangents and secants. PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ equals to 13 cm. Find length of PQ. First we want to draw a circle. Based on this question, you can draw a construction, that is, if the circle is like this, the circle is like this, the center is O, and a tangent PQ at a point P is drawn. This is a tangent. This is a tangent which intersects at one point. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius, and they given a circle of radius is 5 cm. It is a P point. Circle of radius is 5 cm. This is 5 cm, and through the center O at a point Q, this is the PQ tangent is this, and from the center O at a point Q, a line through the center O at a point Q is drawn. This is like a triangle. Then it is OQ. OQ is 13 cm is given. First we can write, given OQ equals to 13 cm, OP equals to 5 cm. Then we want to find the PQ length. Find the PQ length. Want to find PQ. This is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. For a radius of a circle to the tangent at any tangent, if we draw like any way to the circle, this will be 90 degrees to the radius of the circle. So it is a 90 degrees. It is a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. You know that Pythagoras theorem. If a triangle is a right angle triangle, then we can write as hypotenuse square equals to this one, adjacent square plus opposite square. You can write as this is OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. OQ we know that 13 whole square equals to OP is 5 whole square plus PQ we don't know. This PQ whole square. 13 whole square, that is 13 13 13 39, 13 4 and 31 to 13, 169. This is 5 square is 25 plus PQ square. If the 25 goes to this side, that is 169 minus 25 equals to PQ whole square. Then it is 4. 144 is the PQ whole square. That is PQ equals to square goes to that side. That will be becomes root 144 is 12. And PQ length is 12 centimeters. Means will be mean is 12 centimeters. Just like this, two concentric circles or radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Then first we construct a circle. Concentric circles means two concentric circle means concentric means it has center only, it has same center. It has one center and two concentric circle. Really? Two circles have only one center. Only one center. And they given area of the bigger circle is radius is 5 centimeters. And radius of the smaller circle is 3 centimeters. And find the length of the chord of the circle which touches the smaller circle. It will make like this. You can draw like this. It touches the smaller circle means it goes to the point like this. It is a cut to the larger circle and touches to the smaller circle at point. Some point means we want to imagine that it is perpendicular, it is 90 degrees to the perpendicular to the radius. We can imagine like this. It is 90 degrees. Okay. We want to find this line. If we find like this line, then we will find this length also. So it is same like this. It is same. These both are same. So if we find this length, then we will double this length. Then we can find the length of this chord. First given, that is radius of bigger circle equals to 5 centimeters. Radius of smaller circle equals to 3 centimeters. We can note this also. OAP we can imagine. Then we want to find the AP. It is a right angle triangle because it makes 90 degrees with the perpendicular to the radius of the circle. You know that. So by Pythagoras theorem, OP square equals to OA square plus AP square by this diagram. OP means 5 whole square equals to OA, we know that 3 square plus AP we don't know. We want to find AP. This is 25. 3 square is 9 plus AP square. 9 goes to this side. 25 minus 9 equals to AP square. This is 16 AP square. AP equals to square goes to that side, that is becomes root 16 means it is 4 centimeters. It is 4 centimeters. Then it is also 4 centimeters. These both are same. We want to find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So this 2AP, this one, both these are same. That we will length of the chord equals to 2AP. That is equals to 2 into AP is 4 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters is the length of the chord which touches the smaller circle and chord of the larger circle. This is 8 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point 10 centimeters away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Verify by using Pythagoras theorem. First, this question is based on the construction process. We don't have any compass like this equipments to draw in the board, so we can draw roughly. This is a circle which is radius 6 centimeters. You can imagine this is the length of 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. From a point 10 centimeters away from its center. You can first draw the 6 centimeter circle by using the compass, and by using scale you can measure the length of the 10 centimeters from the center of the circle. This is 6 centimeters, and we can imagine this is 4 centimeters, and this length is 10 centimeters. You can draw it using the scale, and also construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Verify by using the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we want to construct the two tangents. So by using compass, take the length of above 5 centimeters, because 10 centimeters midpoint is 5 centimeters, so we can take above 5 point, that is we can take 6 centimeters, and draw an arc from this point. This is O, this is A. We can represent like this. From a point A we can draw an arc, and like this point also, right? We can draw an arc by using the compass, and same centimeters from we can take from A, thus we can take from point O and draw an arc by using the compass. This is the midpoint. We can draw the line which passes through the point which intersects both the arcs from which we draw from A point and O point. This is the midpoint. Then we can draw the circle using the midpoint. It will make like this. Sorry for this one. You can imagine this is a circle. So it will passes the two points, that is O and A. This will make the circle, and from this point which intersects the circle, these two circles which intersects at a point, this the construct the tangents based on the point which intersects two tangents. This is the radius, and this is also radius of the larger circle, that is 6 centimeters. It is also 6 centimeters. It is 10 centimeters. We want to find the length of the tangents. This we want to find. This length and this length. Both these two lengths are equal. So if we draw the line segment like this, which intersects the point of the circles. Both two circles are intersected. This will make 90 degrees, and this is also 90 degrees. You know that the tangents makes the radius 90 degrees. We can also discuss in the previous problem. It is 90 degrees, and it is a right angle triangle. If we take like this, OA, this one P, or this one R, this we can take like this. This is P point. This will make 90 degrees, and it is A and it is O. This OP point is 6 centimeters, and PA point is 10 centimeters. And we want to find, we don't know this PA point. you know the length of the OA point, that is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. We want to find the PA point. This we want to find by using the Pythagoras theorem. Given circle radius equals to 6 centimeters, and this is length of the point which is intersected by the two tangents, that is 10 centimeters, and they, by using the Pythagoras theorem, by this triangle you can find PA point, that is, this is hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square, that is equals to, hypotenuse is OA square equals to adjacent, that is 6, this is, you want to find OP square plus AP square. OA is 10 centimeters, that is 10 square. OP is 6 centimeters, 6 whole square plus, you want to find AP whole square. This is 100 and this is 36 plus AP square. This is 100 minus 36 equals to AP square. 100 minus 36, that is 4. 9 minus 3, that is 6. This is 64 equals to AP square. AP equals to, square goes to this side, that is becomes root 64, that is AP equals to 8 centimeters. If AP length is 8 centimeters, then RA length is also 8 centimeters. Both these tangents are equal. So we want to find measure their lengths. Tangents both length we can form, that is two tangents length. Two tangent lengths equals to 8 plus 8 equals to 16 centimeters is the answer. This one was 16 centimeters. It is given like this: a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. If the circle is like this, it is circle. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. It is the right angle. It is the chord. This one you can construct like this, and radius of the circle is 10 centimeters, and this is the minor segment. First we can discuss about the segment. Segment means if the circle is like this, and it is the center. The line segment is taken from any point like this. The inner length is this one. It is one segment. The line segment is both line segment drawn from the center of the circle to the any part from this. You cannot draw like this because it will become the half circle. It is not a segment. Segment means this one like this. You can draw like this one. This one minor segment, and it is the major segment. It is major. Major means big one. It is major segment and it is minor segment. This one he asks that minor segment. It is this part, and major segment means this total part. You can find this total part. First we want to find this segment. This total part area of the triangle plus this minor segment. We want to find the total length of this segment, and from this we can minus the both minor segment and the area of the triangle. Then we want to find major segment. This is given radius equals to 10 10 centimeters, and it is 90 degrees. Then we know that it will become 90 degrees. See the right angle, first 90 degrees. From this we can find the area of a segment. We have a formula, area of segment equals to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square is the formula. Pi r square is the area of the circle and x by 360 degrees into pi r square is the area of the segment. X is the 90 degrees, this becomes 90 degrees. So we can find x is 90 degrees, 360 degrees into pi means 3.14 into r is the radius, that is 10 square. This is 90 ones 94, then it is 100, that is 3.14 into 100, that is 314 by 4. This we can divide the 314 by 4. 3 is 4 ones, 4 6 and 4 7 28, and then 3 becomes 34, 4 is 32, 20 will be there, 4 5 is 20, that is 78.5 is the area of the segment. Area of the segment is area, that is centimeter square. Then we want to find the minor segment. If we find the minor segment, this first one, minor segment. We want to find minor segment. For this minor segment, total this part is area of segment. From this we want to minus the area of the triangle. First we will find area of triangle. We have a formula, that is half base into h. 1 by 2 into base is 10 and height is also 10. 2 ones, 2 5s. This is 50 centimeters square is the area of the triangle. And we want to find the minor segment. This one we want to find the minor segment. We know that the area of the segment. From this area of the segment we can subtract the area of the triangle. Then there will be area of the segment, area of the minor segment will be there first. Then area of minor segment equals to area of segment minus area of triangle. This is equals to area of segment is 78.5 minus 50 is the area of the triangle, then 28.5 centimeter square. It is the area of the minor segment. From this minor segment is over, then major segment we want to find this. Major segment means this all part, triangle part also there. We can only subtract the minor segment from the area of the triangle, then there will be a major segment. From this major segment we want to find major segment. From total triangle we want to find the area of triangle, area of circle, that is equals to pi r square equals to 3.14 is the pi and r is radius, it is 10 into 10, that is r square, it is 314 centimeter square is the area of the circle. From this area of the circle we can eliminate the part of the minor segment, then the major segment will be there in the circle. The area of major segment equals to area of circle, total circle minus area of minor segment, and it is equals to major segment. Area of circle is 314 centimeter square minus area of the minor segment is 28.5. This will becomes 314 minus 28.5. This is 0, 5, 3, and it is 13. 13 minus 8, it is 2, 5. This is 2, 10. 10 minus 2, that is 8. 285.5. 285.5 centimeter square is the area of the major segment. And the problem is over. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees, find the area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. We know that car has two sweepers in the front of the mirror. It is like this. It will sweep from this part to this part like a segment. It is like a segment, and its angle is given, that is 115 degrees, and blade length is 25 centimeters. This is 25 centimeters. Like this wiper, there are two wipers are there. Like this same wiper, there are another wiper is there. This is 115 degrees and it is 25 centimeters length. We want to find the area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. We want to find both the wipers cleaned length area. We want to find the area. That is given. The angle is angle of wipers cleaned equals to 115 degrees, and blade length equals to 25 centimeters. It is a segment. We have a formula for segment. We know that area of a segment equals to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. This is x is 115 degrees by 360 degrees into 3.14 into r is 25 centimeters. 25 into 25. 25 square is 25 into 25. Then from the we can divide with 5. It is 5 7 to 35. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10, 5 3 is 15. Then by doing it 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. This is 2 1 is 2, 11, 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 1.57. On this we can write, that is 23 degrees by 36 into 1.57 into 25 into 25. Leave like this. Now this centimeter square, this is the area of this segment for one wiper. Total area of cleaned at each sweep of the blades. We have two wipers, so area of the segment is doubled. So total area equals to 2 into area of segment. This is equals to 2 into area of segment is this one. 23 by 36 into 1.57 into 25 into 25. Then by dividing with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. And from this, we are 18 1 is 18, 18 1 is 18, that is 5 is there, 50, point means 50 is there, 18 to the 36, 4, 14, 18 to the 140 is there, 18 7 plus 5, 126. 6 18 7 126. This is 4, 1 14. Then it will be so on. You can take 1.27 and multiply all these equation, that is 25 into 25 is equals to 5 5 is 25, 5 to the 10, 125 to 50, that is 625. 625 you can 1.27 into 1.57, 7 7 the 49, 7 to the 14, 18, 7 the 7 8, 5 7 the 35, 5 to the 10, 13, 5 and the 5, 6, 1 to 127, 9, 8 plus 5, that is 13, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 6, 8, 9. Then will be decimal points is 4, 1.9937 is the answer. Then into 625, C is it will be 5 9s of 45, whether 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 5 9s of 45, 50, 5 9s of 45, 45 plus 5, 50, then 5 9s of 45, 5 3s of 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 5 9s of 45, 45 plus 1, 46 is this, 46, this is 46, and 5 9s of 45, 45 plus 4, that is 49, and 5 9s of 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 19, 2 9s are 2, 3, 6, 6 9s are 54, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5, that is 18 plus 5, 23, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 2 is 56, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 5, 59, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 5, it is 17, 10, 17, 18, 10, 18, 18 plus 3, that is 18 plus 3, that is 21, 9 and 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6, that is 26, 9 to 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 2, 1 to 4, and decimal points is 4. Approximately it will be, this is 1246.1875 is the answer. This is centimeter square. Here OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. If OD equals to 2 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. You want to find this shaded region. It is a segment. First we want to find the area of the segment. Then we want to find the area of the triangle. From area of the segment to area of the segment, we want to eliminate the area of the triangle. Then there will be area of this shaded region. We want to find this. Given OD equals to 2 centimeters, OB equals to 3.5 centimeters. We want to find the shaded region. First we want to find area of segment. This equals to, it is 90 degrees. This is right angle. It is 90 degrees. We want to find x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. It is the area of the segment. X is 90 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7. R is 3.5. We can write also 3.5 as 7 by 2. This square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 91s, 94s. This one 7 7 cancel. 2 1s, 2 11s. Then it is 11 7 the 77 by 4 to the 8. This is equals to 8 1 the 8 9 the 72 point. Then 72 point means 50 is there. 8 6 the 48, 20 is there, 20, 8 to the 16, 16 means 4 is there, 8 5 the 40. 9.625 centimeters square is the area of this segment. Then we want to find the area of the triangle. Next, also area of triangle we want to find. This half into base into height is equal to half into base is 3.5 into height is 2 centimeters. 2 to cancel, this is equal to 3.5 centimeters square. This is the area of the triangle. Then we want to minus the 3.5 from area of the segment. This area of shaded region equals to area of segment minus area of triangle. This is equal to area of segment is 9.625 minus area of triangle is 3.5. This is 125.3 9 minus 3, that is 6. 6.125 centimeter square is the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is over. This, if they given like this, find the area of the shaded region in the figure, where ABCD is a square of centimeters, 10 centimeters is the length, and semicircles are drawn. Each side of the square has diameter. This is the semicircles from 4 sides. Then first we want to find the shaded region. We want to find the shaded region means first we want to find the total area of this square. Total area of this square minus this one area of the semicircles. Total 4 semicircles are there. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Total area of the 4 semicircles minus area of the square minus total area of this semicircles. Then there will be a shaded region, because this shaded region is this part for semicircles. This part is there. This one occupies another from this one. This part is remaining. This part is there. For 4 parts are there. You can find the shaded region by eliminating area of the square minus total area of the 4 semicircles. Given area length of square equals to 10 centimeters, and we given like this, length of the square is 10 centimeters. Then we find this area of square. Know that A into A is the area of the square, A square. A is 10 into 10, that is 100 centimeters square is the area of the square. And we want to find first we want to find area of one semicircle, that is area of one semicircle is equals to pi r square is the area of the circle, by 2 means area of the semicircle. This is the formula, pi r square by 2. Pi is 3.14 into r means this one. This is the diameter. Total diameter is 10 centimeters. Here r is 5 centimeters. 5. This is 10 centimeters. R is 5. 5 into 5 by 2. This is take like this only. This is centimeter square. Then area of 4 semicircles. 4 semicircles equals to 4 into pi r square by 2. This is 4 into pi r square by 2 is this one. 3.14 into 5 into 5 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. This is 5 5 are 25. 25 into 2, this is 50. 50 into 3.14. 5 4s 20. 5 1s 5, 7. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 5 4s. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. by 3 are 15. 157.5. There will be 0 is there. 2 points are remaining, that is 15.70. 157.0 is the area of the force shaded region. Then you know that area of shaded region equals to total area of square, that is area of square minus area of 4 semicircles. First this one, area of 4 semicircles minus area of square. Square is semicircles is bigger than area of square, so we want to minus the area of square from 4 semicircles. This is 157 centimeter square minus area of square is 100. Is 100. This is 57 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. This work. Written 9th chapter of 10th class, that is tangents and secants. If you have any doubts regarding to this chapter, comment in the comment box. If you like my video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much.